Today, I want to talk about our credit rebuilder program. So I told you about 7 steps to 720 credit score. This is where it's a do-it-yourself program. You watch the videos, you go through the program, and you do what we tell you to do. There's some people who are too busy, and they're like, I don't want to do a do-it-yourself program. I want it easier. And that's where we have the done-for-you program. It's called the Credit Rebuilder Program. Our Credit Rebuilder Program has a $99 setup fee, and the monthly payments are $39 a month. You pay that until your credit score is where it is, and then you stop it. It's a month-to-month agreement. You can cancel it at any time, no problem at all, right? The best part about our Credit Rebuilder Program is the monthly payments report to the bureaus like an installment line. And the reason why that's important, you may remember the 3 steps to rebuilding your credit. Number 1, get the errors off the credit report. Number 2, get new credit cards. And 3, get an installment line. The third, getting an installment line, is a hard one because people who are in a credit program typically have bad credit. If you're interested in that, reply to any of our emails or set up a time to talk to one of our credit rebuilder specialists, or simply go to the website and sign up, and then you can start your credit rebuilding process.